Hello everyone. We are going to see a topic refraction of light through a thin lens today. In this topic, we will try to make a relation between N, that is called refractive index of material of lens, F, this is called focal length, and radius of curvature of lens. In biconvex lens or concave lens, there are two curvatures, two curved surface, so two radii of curvature R1 and R2. This relation is known as lens maker formula. So see the process how the relationship is made. Now in this, take this is a position of a lens. In the diagram, we are taking a convex lens. Two curved surface. So first surface, their center of curvature let in this side, C2, C1. This is the first. So this side. Second side, there are center of curvature, C2 is on left hand side. Pole P1, P2, let this is position of optical center. So see, P1 and P2 is poles, C is optical center, and see the R1 and R2. See the distance from P1 to C1 is called R1. R1 is equal to P1 C1. R2 is equal to P2 C2. So P2 C2 means R2 is this is. Now see, a point object is here. And let us see how the images are formed. Let a ray of light from the object. The distance between both P1 to object O is considered as U. Due to the first surface, the refraction takes place, and first surface, its image is formed I dash here. So distance from P1 to image formed due to the first surface, let it is V dash here in the diagram. So here in the whole explanation, I am trying to say you that we are taking the phenomena of refraction through first surface. Ray, their image is formed at I dash. Now see how these things will be settled. We are knowing the formula. For refraction through convex surface. In this case, one more thing is required to consider. Let N1 is the refractive index of here of a medium, N2 of lens, and N1 again is here. So refraction is taking when ray of light is traveling from N1 to N2. Then this formula, well known formula, we know N2 upon V minus N1 upon U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R. This formula we have seen in a derivation for the refraction through a convex surface. You can see in my video. When we apply this formula under this case, then N2 is V is here V dash minus N1 by U is equal to N2 minus N1 by R is R1. This is equation number 2. Now see very carefully here in this case. Here are two surfaces of the lens. The refraction is taking place only through the first surface. So image formed by here, first surface is playing as object for second surface. And its let final image is formed at time here. The image formed by first surface is played like object for second surface, and final image is formed at I. Then we are taking the final image is formed through the second lens. Considered it is B. Let small t denotes the thickness of lens, and from here it is a V dash. So from this surface it's become V dash minus thickness of lens. Now the same thing in mathematics. See, we are taking refraction through second surface in it. Refraction through surface, in that we have taken image formed by first surface play as object for second surface. Here in this case, see very carefully. If this is a situation, then V minus V dash minus T is behave like a U, and V is here in this case. So lens maker formula, this formula can be taken here in this case. N2 is N1 and N1 is N2. In this first case, light travel from N1 to N2, and here in the second case is travel from N2 to N1. So in this formula, in place of N2 we will take N1, and in place of N1 we will take as N1. N1 we will take as N2. Since this formula can be taken here as N1 first medium by V is here minus, in place of N1 And u, what is u here in this case? V dash minus t is equal to n1 minus n2. In the previous case it was n2 minus 1 n1, because light is traveling from n1 to n2. Now it is n2 from n1 and radius, second radius of a curvature. That is here. Now one thing is here taken into account. One approximation is taken, some approximation is taken in this calculation, and this approximation can be understood here. We have taken here 4 approximations, and time to time we will discuss all these 4 approximations here. The first approximation is lens is very thin. If lens is very thin in comparison to these distances, then if it is very thin and t is very thin in comparison to take this v dash, so t can be neglected. So in place of v dash minus t, we can take as a v dash. This is the first approximation. We are actually avoiding the thickness of the lens here. So in that condition, this equation can be written as n1 by v minus c. It is the one some n1, here is n2, and here in this formula it is u. n2 by v dash, neglecting the t, is equal to n1 minus n2 by r2. Treat as equation number 4. We are going to adding equation 2 and 4. What is equation 2? Left hand side plus left hand side, right hand side plus right hand side. So left hand side is of equation 2, n2 by v dash minus n1 by u plus n1 by v minus n2 by v dash is equal to n2 minus n1 by r1 plus n1 minus n2 by r2. Write the both things here in a bracket. When one see n2 by v dash, n2 by v dash equal and opposite sign, can we cancel each other? If we rearrange it, one may write n1 by v minus n1 by u. Here we are going to take common n2 minus n1. Here remains 1 by r1. We have taken common n2 minus n1. Here is n1 minus n2. So here becomes minus 1 by r2. Now we are going to divide by n1. Both sides. Then it's become 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to n2 by n1 minus 1 upon r1 minus 1 by r2. It is equation number 5. Since we know that the lens formula formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 by u. Equation number 6. Now we are going to compare equation 5 and equation 6. We have this, both are common in, then 1 by f is equal to, we get n2 by n1 minus 1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Equation 6 is called lens maker formula. This lens maker formula can also be written in this form, since n2 by n1 is a refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. Commonly it is indicated by n. Then equation 6 can be also written as 1 by f is equal to n minus 1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Equation, this is 7 and it is equation 8. So equation 8 and equation 7 is known as lens maker formula. This is for the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.